Yeah, just tuning in into Black Ops 6. You guys coming through?
Computer cannot access a central database while working out. Honestly, who built this place? Same man put you no cell. Old boss, Rickball. Break out my brother.
Get that round and do get that round and do for the chat, get that round and do for the chat. Come on now, come on, baby. Oh shit. Get off me. Stop touching me. Why'd you decline it? You frumpy motherfuckers. You big lip, cross-eyed hooligans. Motherfucker, why are you denying shit? Just because that big booty bitch denied your frumpy, smelly ass. Just because you don't like your cross-eyed ass doesn't mean you gotta deny this. Wrong. Not hard. All round, listen. All round inducer is making you think faster. If you don't like round inducer, that means you can't think. That means you're an aloof being. You're an aloof being. Stop denying shit. You're denying reality. Get real. Look in the mirror. All round inducer is making you think faster. When you go higher in rounds, you're doing the same thing, but thinking and moving faster. Motherfucker. See how the zombies are slow? They're slow like your dumbass. And by the time we get to round 30, your ass wanna... Listen, we get to round 10, your ass quitting. And you don't want to do round inducer. It just makes you think faster. Oh, it's because of the weed? It's because of alcohol? Huh? You can't do round inducer? You can't think too well? These motherfuckers. Listen, anyone that doesn't want to do round inducer is an aloof being. Okay, you don't know what aloof is? You're fucking retarded. Because it is a simple college word. It's not that much of a big word. It's a big word. But if you don't know what aloof is, start reading a dictionary. Get a thesaurus, get an atlas, know what the fuck you are. Something, nigga. Because you motherfuckers are aloof. You're an aloof being, okay? It's a very elegant and intelligent way of calling you retarded. Aloof. You're an aloof fuck. You don't want to do a goddamn round inducer. And I still got more eliminations than you. What the fuck? I'm not even trying you. You realize how many aloof people play Call of Duty now? They call it eliminations. You can't even get confirmed kills in this game. They call it eliminations now. Ah. God damn. Yeah. Put that motherfucker on. Let's get this motherfucker started. Get round inducer on. Have these niggas run at you like the goddamn Usain Bolt. Trying to run at you like the 400-meter runner. Whatever the fuck he, a South African motherfucker. Forgot his name. Not on Instagram anymore. Because I got better shit to do. Have these niggas run at us like the goddamn Usain Bolt. Like whatever his name is. Whatever. Anyway. Have these niggas run. Because they ain't running to kill us. I ain't running to die. Let's go. I'm proud of you niggas. I'm proud of you niggas. Turn on round and do something. I love y'all niggas. Damn nigga. Oh shit nigga. Oh damn nigga. Body shots. God damn. Mike Tyson. Get off me. Yeah, see round dudes are just speed shit up. Just get to the point. That's what they big booty bitches want. See, this is the first step of getting big booty bitches. Play round and do so on Black Ops 6. This is the first motherfucking step to start getting them big booty bitches. Play round and do so. Because you gotta get straight to the point with these bimbo bitches. You gotta get straight to the point, man. You wanna take your time, you wanna do this, and you know, hey man, I was gonna start this thing, man, but you know, it's been a year and a half. And I was gonna do this thing, and come on, man, get straight to the point, man. These big booty bitches ain't got time to waste. They got a BBL enhancement to go to. You over here wanna, I just wanna kick my head, yeah, motherfucker. Get on that big ass weird out salami pussy. Let me get ammo. On the way, on the way. This nigga left! What? You ain't getting no big booty bitches, god damn it! And we had a nuke. What the fuck? You ain't getting no big booty bitches. Motherfucker can't handle it, man. You motherfuckers in here, you getting some big booty bitches. I'm proud of y'all. Holding this on with a deucer. I got the shittiest weapons that haven't go down. Zombies coming. Turn around, blue. All y'all, man, all y'all. You can take it, I don't care. So I just want y'all to be better. Men, women, whatever you are. I want you to challenge yourselves. Play on Rat Inducer, get big booty bitches, and take over the world. That's the third step. Rat Inducer, big booty bitches, take over the world.